Dear friends, this video describes about the best way to maintain construction equipment. Maintaining construction equipment is crucial for ensuring reliability, maximizing lifespan, and reducing operating costs. Here's a comprehensive guide on the best practices for maintaining construction equipment. 1. Follow the manufacturer's maintenance schedule. A. Consult the operator's manual. The manufacturer provides detailed maintenance schedules specific to each piece of equipment, covering everything from oil changes to filter replacements. B. Create a maintenance log. Document all maintenance activities, including inspections, repairs, and replacements, to track the health and history of each machine. 2. Daily inspections. A. Check fluid levels. Verify that fuel, oil, hydraulic fluid, and coolant are at proper levels before operation. B. Inspect for visible damage. Look for cracks, leaks, loose bolts, or worn components like belts, hoses, and tires/tracks. C. Test the controls and safety features. Ensure that brakes, lights, alarms, and other controls are functioning properly. 3. Lubricate moving parts regularly. Use the right lubricants. Follow manufacturer recommendations for the type and grade of lubricants to use on different components. B. Grease joints and bearings. Regularly lubricate moving parts, especially joints, bearings, and pivot points, to minimize wear and prevent corrosion. 4. Monitor tire and track condition. Check tire pressure and tread depth. Ensure tires are inflated to the correct pressure and have sufficient tread. Underinflated tires can cause handling issues and increased fuel consumption. B. Inspect tracks for wear and tear. For tracked equipment, check for damage, proper tension, and wear patterns on the tracks, as worn or misaligned tracks can affect performance. 5. Change filters and fluids on time. A. Oil changes. Regularly change the engine oil, hydraulic fluid, and transmission oil according to the manufacturer's intervals. B. Filter replacements. Replace fuel, oil, and air filters on schedule to prevent contamination and ensure efficient performance. 6. Keep equipment clean. Remove dirt and debris. Regularly clean the equipment, especially around sensitive areas like the engine compartment, hydraulic lines, and radiators. Mud and debris can cause overheating and affect the performance of hydraulic systems. B. Prevent rust. Washing down equipment and applying rust inhibitors where necessary can prevent corrosion, especially if the machinery is exposed to moisture or harsh weather conditions. 7. Use technology for preventive maintenance. A. Telematics and diagnostic tools. Use telematics systems to monitor equipment performance, track usage, and receive alerts for maintenance needs, e.g., low fluid levels, abnormal engine temperature. Modern equipment with ECUs provides valuable data to predict potential issues. B. Maintenance management software. Implement software to schedule preventive maintenance tasks, track equipment health, and generate reports to streamline the maintenance process. 8. Store equipment properly. A. Protect from the elements. When not in use, store equipment under cover or in a secure location to protect it from rain, snow, and excessive sunlight, which can lead to rust, corrosion, and wear. B. Seasonal considerations. For equipment not used during certain seasons, properly winterize or prepare for storage by draining fluids, removing batteries, and applying protective coatings to exposed parts. 9. Train operators and technicians. A. Operator training. Ensure that all operators are properly trained not only on how to use the equipment but also on how to perform basic maintenance tasks, like pre-shift inspections. B. Ongoing training. Invest in ongoing education for technicians, keeping them updated on new technology, diagnostic tools, and best practices for maintenance. 10. Monitor and replace wearable parts. Track wear and tear. Closely monitor high-wear components such as belts, brakes, cutting edges, and buckets. B. Timely replacement. Replace these parts before they fail completely, as worn parts can lead to damage to other components or cause accidents. 11. Check for hydraulic leaks. Inspect hoses and seals. Regularly inspect hydraulic hoses, seals, and fittings for leaks, as hydraulic systems are critical to most construction equipment operations. B. Replace damaged components. Replace worn or damaged hydraulic parts promptly to avoid performance issues and prevent contamination of the system. 12. Engine maintenance. A. Tune the engine regularly. Regular engine tune-ups, including cleaning or replacing spark plugs and adjusting fuel injectors, help keep the engine running smoothly. B. Monitor fuel quality. Use clean, high-quality fuel and consider fuel additives to prevent clogging of injectors or filters. 13. Battery care. A. Check battery health. Regularly check battery connections, clean terminals, and ensure the battery is properly charged. B. Proper storage. If equipment will be inactive for long periods, disconnect the battery or store it in a cool, dry place to extend its life. 14. Cooling system maintenance. Check coolant levels in radiators. Ensure that radiators are free of debris and that the coolant is at the correct level. B. Inspect hoses. Check radiator and coolant hoses for cracks or leaks to prevent overheating. 15. Adopt a predictive maintenance approach. Vibration analysis and thermography. Advanced techniques like vibration analysis or thermographic inspections can help detect early signs of component wear or potential failures. B. Monitor equipment usage. Use equipment logs and telematics data to predict when components will likely need service, allowing for repairs before breakdowns occur. 16. Perform regular alignment checks. Monitor wheel and track alignment. Ensure that wheels or tracks are properly aligned. Misalignment can cause excessive wear on tires or tracks and affect fuel efficiency. 17. Fuel management. A. Use clean fuel. Always use clean, uncontaminated fuel to prevent engine issues. B. Regularly replace fuel filters. This prevents dirt or water from damaging the engine's fuel system. By following these best practices, construction equipment can operate efficiently, reduce breakdowns, and extend its operational life. Regular, proactive maintenance ensures that equipment is always ready for the job, while avoiding costly repairs and downtime. Given your expertise as a field service engineer, you'll likely be familiar with many of these practices, particularly the importance of telematics and ECUs in modern equipment maintenance. Friends, we have provided recommended reply for best way of maintain of construction machinery. Subscribe to our YouTube channel Inframechanizer, which is completely free.